Universal Menswear Ltd.
Bangladesh, often referred to as the Mystic Bengal land, has undergone a transformative journey to become a prominent apparel hub on the global stage. With its expansive infrastructure, robust economic stability, and a favorable political climate, Bangladesh emerges as a compelling choice for investment in the apparel industry. Universal Menswear, a distinguished apparel manufacturer specializing in men's fashion, particularly in the domain of elegant clothing encompassing jackets, coats, and trousers, stands as a testament to this transformative journey. Commencing its journey in 2012 with an initial investment of $35 million, Universal Menswear has since evolved into a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, occupying 500,000 square feet and boasts an exceptionally skilled workforce of 5,400 professionals. The organization represents a noteworthy joint venture between the esteemed Ananta Group of Bangladesh and Time International Romania. Universal Menswear's overarching vision is to ascend as the preeminent suit manufacturer in Southeast Asia. In relentless pursuit of this vision, we remain steadfastly committed to upholding values of quality, speed, and integrity. At the heart of Universal Menswear lies its most prized asset, an exceptionally skilled and dedicated workforce, comprising both a multinational talent pool and local expertise. Our workforce epitomizes professionalism and commitment. From the moment you set foot on our premises, you will encounter an environment characterized by utmost professionalism and an unwavering dedication to safety. Our proficient design team, operating in collaboration with our network of suppliers and internal teams, is responsible for meticulously sourcing the finest materials for our product range. Our United Kingdom-based designers work closely with their teams to facilitate in-house sourcing, a pivotal responsibility within our operation. Our industrious merchandising team plays a pivotal role in ensuring the seamless flow of materials and enhanced productivity. Equally vital to our operation is our computer-aided design team, often referred to as CAD, which harnesses the latest software and hardware to optimize our processes. Our sample room, under the vigilant supervision of multinational experts, ensures the impeccable sampling of our esteemed products. These experts provide essential guidance and feedback to the production team, reflecting our commitment to product excellence. Upon the arrival of materials at our ultra-modern, spacious in-house storage facility, we subject them to rigorous testing and inspection, facilitated by our in-house laboratory and highly skilled lab technicians. In the realm of cutting machinery, we employ cutting-edge technology to ensure precision and productivity. Our emphasis on employee safety is unwavering, with continuous training and supervision aimed at maximizing both productivity and safety standards. The in-house fusing facility enhances productivity and expedites the quality control process. Our skilled sewing team, equipped with state-of-the-art machinery, plays a pivotal role in our production process. Currently, our monthly blazer and overcoats production capacity stands at 250,000 units, while our trouser manufacturing capacity reaches an impressive 300,000 units per month. The finishing team, equipped with custom-made finishing machinery, ensures that our end products are presented immaculately. Quality checks at various stages, including inline and final inspections, ensure that our products adhere to both internal and client-specific standards. Metal detection, a critical safety procedure, is meticulously executed for all our products. Our dedicated final packing team adheres to client-specific guidelines, while our dry storage area effectively controls humidity levels for finished products. An automated railing system streamlines our packing process, exemplifying our commitment to efficiency. Our most prized machinery, however, is our workforce. As part of our commitment to employee well-being, we maintain an in-house medical facility with qualified doctors and an in-house daycare center to support staff members with young children. In addition to our dedication to excellence in manufacturing, Universal Menswear is equally committed to giving back to society and the environment. Initiatives such as the donation of tube wells to a village lacking access to clean water underscore our commitment to responsible corporate citizenship. Our most cherished asset is our workforce, our strength, and our pride. As an organization that places a premium on teamwork and collaboration, we are resolutely poised to collectively pursue our vision of becoming the foremost formal wear manufacturer in the region. We extend our gratitude for your time and interest in Universal Menswear.